Sasabi niyo sa kaso ni Mo?
Alin doon?
Marami. Yung mga ginawa niya na merong criticize, yung sa federalismo, tapos yung mga nasabing nagsisimula sa fake news, and ikaw, anong can you say?
Probably, I would want to, in the case of Mo Kauson, he's just saying these things because he's performing, probably she believes that she's performing her duty. She believes that she's performing her duty by doing all these things. Now, as to whether these things are acceptable, whether these things are legal, whether these things should be, whether she should do these things, that is a different matter. I will just leave it at that because I do not want to attack her because she is not here, and that I want her to personally address those issues. But I think that personally, Miss Uson is actually doing those things because she believes that those are the things that are necessary to perform her duty. She's a Tomasian. She's a Tomasian just like I am. Her father is a judge, a lawyer, and her mother is a doctor. Therefore, she comes from a family of, educated family. And I think she's just doing those things because she believes that she's performing her duty. Like I've said, as to the legality, as to the acceptability, that is another thing.
Thank you now. Thank you. Is
she actually pretty in person? Is she pretty in person? I haven't seen her. She is, no? Parang maganda siya, no? She's actually
slide.
I always see her sa mga ano. Kasi my wife also asked me, maganda ba talaga siya? Sabi ko, look at her. Ang ganda niya, oh. But as to the person, I don't know. I haven't seen her. I haven't met her. I hope someday, probably.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Atty. Siguro last word, bakit kailangan ka naming iboto sa Senado?
The reason is that the main purpose that I want to run is to improve on the legal system. Like I've said, I want to run for senator to help the people through improved legislation. Not change, but improved legislation. As a senator, the main purpose is to make laws. Kung ang tumatakbo, hindi yan ang kanyang plataforma, may problema. That is why I have always been consistent from the start. My advocacy is to improve the lives of the people by making better laws. Laws that would actually benefit them. Not just the government, not just the economy, but actually the people. Nakakalimutan kasi natin na ang gobyerno ay para dapat sa tao. It's not the other way around.
Thank you very much, Atty. Palakpakan naman natin si Atty. Before we end, we'd like to call in his wife para sa ating last photo.
Babe.
Yeah.
This is my wife.